Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how solar panels are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The intense heat allows us to embed the phosphorus. This critical doping process is precisely what creates the conductivity in the photovoltaic layers.
Every cell is built with microscopic precision to ensure maximum solar efficiency.
Every panel is tested for performance before leaving the facility.
Easy now, keep it coming straight back. All right, set it down right there.
And that's how solar panels are made. To Extaro, from start to finish.